You will get to know the 9 tips on how to make the first $1 million. The last tip is my favorite as it helped me reach my goal. So watch this video till there. Now let's start. Number 1. Establish specific financial objectives. Begin by clearly outlining your financial goals. This involves a comprehensive assessment of income, expenditures, and savings reserves. It's probable that you have identified certain areas where cost efficiencies can be achieved. Next, establish achievable objectives. It's important to define your immediate and future objectives, taking into account your present earnings, expenditures, and the timeline you wish to achieve these goals. Establishing a clear objective will provide you with guidance and drive. It's essential to establish a comprehensive budget that meticulously monitors your income and expenditures. Evaluate your expenses to pinpoint opportunities for reducing unnecessary costs, allowing you to allocate more resources towards savings and investment strategies. A well-structured financial plan and a disciplined budget are crucial instruments for building wealth. They assist in maintaining your focus, achieving key objectives, and provide a means to evaluate your progress towards reaching your first $1 million. Number 2. Enhance your savings through the power of compound interest. One of the most effective strategies to achieve your first million is by leveraging the power of compounding interest. Beginning your savings journey sooner allows you to accumulate more interest over time, and each interest payment contributes to a larger balance, enhancing future interest calculations. What is the optimal amount to save in order to achieve millionaire status? While there are no strict guidelines, it is typically advisable to allocate between 15% and 50% of your income into a high-interest savings account. In the realm of compound interest, the most significant asset you possess is time. While you are in the early stages of your financial journey, prioritize maximizing your savings contributions, ensuring you also manage your essential expenses like grocery, rent, and utilities. Beginning your savings journey in your 40s or later will require a significantly higher monthly contribution to reach your financial goals. If you want to know more ways to make millions of dollars, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Optimize your retirement contributions. Retirement accounts represent a significant opportunity that can assist you in achieving your first $1 million. The funds in these accounts appreciate and compound without incurring taxes. Contributions to your retirement plan are not included in your taxable income, which can effectively lower your overall expenses. Maximizing your contributions to an employer-sponsored 401k or 403b account each year is a prudent strategy for building your retirement savings. In 2024, the maximum contribution stands at $23,000, with an increased limit of $30,500 available for taxpayers aged 50 and above. Certain employers provide the opportunity for retirement contributions through payroll deduction and may even match a portion of your contributions, facilitating the growth of your retirement account. As a self-employed individual, you have the opportunity to establish a traditional retirement account or a Roth IRA for your financial future. It's important to note that the contribution limit on these accounts is considerably reduced. For the year 2024, the maximum contribution limit is set at $7,000 or $8,000 if you are aged 50 or older. Number 4. Refine your revenue sources. You are effectively utilizing your savings, which allows you to concentrate on strategies to increase your income. Relying solely on a typical 9 to 5 job may not suffice to accumulate $1 million by retirement age. It's advisable to explore additional income streams to enhance your wealth-building efforts. Diversifying your income streams enhances the resilience of your financial portfolio. Popular side ventures often encompass gig opportunities such as ride sharing or delivery services, as well as freelancing, where you can offer your expertise to those willing to pay for it. If you possess valuable assets like a boat, camper, spare room, or power tools, it may be beneficial to explore the option of renting them out to generate passive income. Identifying income opportunities requires some innovative thinking. However, once you embark on this journey, you'll begin to recognize earning potential all around you. Number 5. Make informed investment decisions. Investing is an essential competency for achieving financial prosperity. Creating a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and various assets can effectively mitigate risk, and adopting a long-term outlook enables your investments to appreciate steadily over time. It is advisable to steer clear of making decisions based on emotions and to refrain from frequent buying and selling activities. Utilizing data and thorough analysis is essential for achieving your first $1 million. Conduct comprehensive research prior to making any investments, ensuring you remain updated on market trends and economic indicators. Investing requires ongoing attention. It's essential to regularly review and make adjustments to your portfolio as necessary. A knowledgeable professional can assist you in developing a customized investment plan that suits your risk appetite and financial objectives. Number 6. Avoid accumulating debt. Although there is no surefire way to achieve financial success, expenditures frequently work against your objectives. It's important to recognize that not all of your income needs to be allocated solely to essentials. Allocating funds for occasional dinners out or family vacations can be equally significant as saving for future goals. Avoid making unnecessary purchases, particularly if you are relying on third-party financing or high-interest credit cards to fund them. Credit companies have a proven strategy for transferring significant amounts of money from your account to theirs. Number 7. Make informed choices. The misconception that affluent individuals must spend lavishly to uphold an image or compete with their peers often hinders many high-income earners from building substantial wealth. Many individuals earning substantial incomes often find their net worth lacking, and a prevalent factor contributing to this is lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation, often referred to as lifestyle creep, represents the inclination to increase spending in tandem with rising income levels. It's important to remember that an increase in financial resources doesn't necessitate the purchase of a luxury vehicle or a high-priced residence in an exclusive community. Your budget serves as your strongest safeguard against lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's wise to allocate the surplus towards savings, education funds, or investment opportunities instead of increasing your expenditures. For instance, once you have settled your vehicle loan, consider directing that monthly payment into your savings account rather than purchasing a new car immediately. Number 8. Continuous education is essential. Economic environments are constantly evolving, and it's essential to engage proactively to remain informed and competitive. Participate in workshops, explore literature, and utilize online resources to improve your understanding of financial matters. Connecting with fellow professionals allows you to remain updated on investment prospects, market dynamics, and financial planning techniques. Number 9. Embrace adaptability. While it may appear unconventional to incorporate flexibility into a set of guidelines, your capacity to adjust is crucial for achieving financial success. As you embark on your wealth-building journey, it's important to recognize that you will explore various new opportunities, and not all of them will succeed. That's perfectly acceptable, provided you remain committed to continuous learning and making necessary adjustments throughout the process. Understanding the guidelines is essential, but it's equally important to recognize the right moments to adapt or even set them aside. Investing in a new kitchen for $45,000 could be a strategic decision, especially if you have saved a few hundred thousand. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the 15 money mistakes that are keeping you poor. This video is very informative, so you must watch it. Also, subscribe to our channel if you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets daily.